Founded in the United States in 1913, Connor Manufacturing Services is recognized as a world's leading precision metal stamping manufacturer in the automotive industry. Throughout the years, Connor has focused on expanding its core competencies of stamped metal components and fabricated assemblies to service the automotive industry. Connor's products are used in electric vehicle battery modular bus bars, safety sensors, engine and transmission systems, interior roof and door systems, automotive connectivity, antenna, and infotainment systems. As a company with global perspective, we service customers around the world. Connor has 4 manufacturing facilities in North America, China, and Southeast Asia, with 7 sales offices. Connor is able to provide local real-time sales and engineering support while supporting order fulfillment globally, supplying parts to industry-leading OEM and Tier 1 suppliers in 27 countries. The success of Connor is our emphasis and focus on people, process, and solution. By working closely with our customers to understand their needs, our goal is to provide the most effective manufacturing solution and to deliver the highest quality products to our customers. To assist our customers in their product development, Connor provides DFX services to our customers. Whether it's design for cost, design for quality, design for manufacturability, or design for assembly, Connor helps our customer find their best product solution. Connor's quick prototype support and short batch production capabilities enable our customers to meet their demanding time-to-market requirements. In order to ensure consistent quality parts, Connor is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery for Class A tooling fabrication and comprehensive tooling preventative maintenance. Our stamping capabilities include progressive stamping, deep drawing, transfer stamping, reel-to-reel stamping, and in-die assembly stamping. At Connor, we are experts in stamping thick and thin gauge materials with ferrous and non-ferrous materials. The materials we use include carbon steel, HSLA, aluminum, stainless steel, copper alloy, nickel, Inconel, and even clad metal. Our ability to source raw material directly from leading mills ensures our part quality and price competitiveness. Connor has fully integrated metal processing capabilities. We have CNC turning and machining, stamping press tonnage ranging from 25 tons to 500 tons with state-of-the-art DI ultrasonic cleaning and degreasing, and customized automation systems. Our secondary processes include various metal joining solutions, ranging from toxing, laser welding, diffusing bonding, and robotic MIG-TIG welding. Our value-added services include modular and free-flow assembly, as well as a full range of packing options including an ISO 8 clean room to increase our value proposition to our customers. Connor is committed to providing our customers with zero-defect, high-quality parts. Our emphasis on quality starts from design, people, process, and machine, and covers every aspect of the product scope. Our quality assurance process includes online automated CCD inspection and inline CPK and SPC controls. Connor is equipped with state-of-the-art quality metrology equipment and in-house analytical capability in checking RoHS compliance, plating thickness, and salt spray test. Connor has attained IATF 16949 certification and familiar with VDA 6.3 requirement. With Connor, you get more than just manufacturing. You get trusted service. That is what we mean when you see our name, Connor Manufacturing Services.